So I just finished my meal prep. This is some veggie soup that I'm bringing for dinner. I added just a little bit of everything, some lentil pasta for protein, carrots, onions, turmeric, shiitake mushrooms, dried shiitake mushrooms that I got in Japan, some dulse, which is like a seaweed that adds a lot of minerals and vitamins to the soup. This is for 2 dinners. And then I have my little Dijon honey dressing. And then these are really good. These bars, pumpkin date, some coconut yogurt with blueberries. I found that raspberries do not travel well at all unless you bring them in the original packaging. So I'm just gonna bring blueberries this time. I have my vegan and gluten-free and no sugar added, if I can open it, waffles. This is for 3 breakfasts, or maybe 2, depending on how hungry I am. And I'm going to be bringing some coconut butter to put on top. And then I have some saffron quinoa that I made. I just added a few threads of saffron to some regular organic white quinoa. And then I chopped up some cauliflower and put some hot sauce and a little bit of maple on top to make a nice buffalo cauliflower. And then some mixed greens under, and then the salad dressing. So I have 2 of these for 2 days, and I'm going to bring my matcha and my oat milk for my matchas in the morning. And then I'm going to have 30 hours in Des Moines, so I'm going to get more food there. But yeah, there's my meal prep. Hey y'all, alright, it's taking me to the airport now. We have a deadhead to Miami, meaning I'm not going to work it. And then we're going to fly to San Francisco. We have about an hour in Miami. We're delayed a little bit. I was hoping it would get delayed a little more. Maybe I shouldn't say that, but just so I could leave my house a little bit later. But I'm so thankful. Alright, he's taking me. My little sweetie pad. I'm all dressed up and ready to go. We're about to fly to Phoenix. I have my chaga tea. This is from Buddha Teas, and it says I've got nothing to do today but smile. I really like that. So chaga is a medicinal mushroom. It boosts your immune system. It may help prevent certain diseases and sicknesses. It boosts your cognitive health. It's really good for your brain. And it also, what else? Fights inflammation. I know my hair is messy and like purple and all different colors, but whatever. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you in Des Moines. We always have time to dance. Yes. Hey y'all, it is after midnight here in Des Moines. I'm about to shower, get ready for bed. Today was a lot better than yesterday, a lot easier. We flew from San Francisco to Phoenix, short flight, and then from Phoenix to Des Moines. Everyone was great. Passengers were super chill and nice, and I'm just having so much fun with my crew. I'm gonna get ready for bed. I don't want to wake up too late because the next day we have to wake up super early. We have a 5:30 a.m. pickup, so we're gonna be here 2 nights, which is nice. I'll take you guys with me and show you what I can find in Des Moines. So I also check my curtains. I do like this to make sure no monsters and or people are hiding in my room, and I use my bag as a doorstop. I will open my door and put my bag there to keep the door open, and if the bed is empty underneath, I check under there. I check everywhere in the room to make sure no one is in here. So if you stay in hotels a lot like I do, or just ever, do that as well. Make sure everything's good. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Y'all, good morning. I'm about to go grab some food at a local place. It's called Hock, or either it's pronounced Hoke, I'm not sure, it's H-O-Q, but they get organic things from local farmers, and I love that. So I definitely want to support them and try out their food. It's actually a beautiful day. It's sunny, but it's like 31 degrees outside Fahrenheit, so it's very cold. I brought my big silver jacket and my scarf, but I'm not gonna walk there. I was planning on walking there. It's like a 30-minute walk, but I don't want to miss their lunch menu, so I'm gonna take a lift there and then walk around after. I'll see you in a little bit. I'm all cozy and warm. This is a cute jacket I got from Urban Outfitters for like $30. Let's go. here at Hawk Restaurant with the owner.
Suman Haq.
Oh, awesome. Okay, so it's your last name.
Yes,
so how did this come about? Was it always your dream to have a restaurant?
You know, I love to know where my foods come from. So our foods all come from Iowa. We know where all the food come from.
That's awesome. I love that. So I looked you guys up. I was trying to find healthy food, and I love when things are local and you know where the food is sourced from. That's so important to me in my health journey. So I really appreciate that.
Yeah.
Is there anything you want to share about your restaurant to people?
The Hawk is farm-to-table restaurant. So our all ingredient from 30-mile radius is 90% in all from Iowa. Lemon, lime, oranges is not from Iowa. And salt, pepper. That's things.
Okay. So how long have you been open?
It's our 11th year.
Wow. Okay. So how hard was it to start a restaurant? Because that's kind of been my dream for a while. So
beginning was a little harder because I don't have all that because we live in Iowa 6 months of school, so we don't grow that much.
Right.
But over the year, and people are growing inside. Greenhouse, people are using, and then hoof house, and so now it's no problem.
That's awesome. So it's about like you're forming relationships with the farmers, and you have to sort of build that, I guess. So when you first started out, you don't really know anyone. And, Okay. What is your favorite thing on the menu?
Our menu changes quite often.
Yeah.
So
that's hard to say.
Yeah, it's hard to say. So I have,
The lamb sausage sounded really good. That's house made?
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. Well, everything I tried was delicious. So thank you so much for talking to me about it.
And thank you so much.
Thank you. Good morning. I'm about to go downstairs. We're gonna fly from Des Moines, I forgot where we were, Des Moines to Dallas, and then Dallas to Albuquerque, Albuquerque back to Dallas, and then we're done with our 4-day. That was so lame, but I hope you guys are having a great day. I have to hurry as usual because I have to go downstairs. It is like 5:20 something. Our pickup is at 5:30. I woke up at 4:30. That's why I'm all over the place. Thank the Lord for matcha. I went to bed super early, but how are you guys? I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. It helps me out a lot and it helps me get future content onto you if you're interested in that. Thank you, and I will see you guys on the next trip.